Hey, what's up, you money makers? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about one of the hottest IPO that has become a talk in the town for Coinbase. Coinbase IPO is about to list today on April 14th. We'll talk about what you need to know before investing in this crypto trading platform for Coinbase. We'll talk about how Coinbase is going to list. There is no update, and I do not see any updates in the price point. We do not really know when the Coinbase is going to be listed exact at what time. So I'll also touch upon the time and how to search for that. The second thing is how it is impacting the cryptocurrency and the current market for Bitcoin and some other coins, altcoins like Ether, and especially the Dogecoin has been spiking up so far. So we'll talk about that as well. The third thing is what is next for Coinbase IPO, whether one should invest in Coinbase IPO or not, some of the price prediction for Coinbase as well from the analyst, and my personal thoughts and opinion based on my research, what I think about Coinbase, where it can go from here. So we'll talk about all the meaty stuff and we'll share a lot of information about Coinbase. So watch the full video. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do a lot of research and analysis, and we have been investing in many penny stocks that have doubled up or quadrupled and 10 times in the case of BNGO and some other stocks that we have been investing. We also talk about a lot of cryptocurrency, especially for Dogecoin, and it has been spiking up so far. It is almost 5 times since we started talking about Dogecoin. So watch the full video, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a like for Dogecoin, give me a like for Coinbase, give me a like for the research that I do. It doesn't cost you anything, so your like is very much appreciated. Also consider subscribing to my channel as well to get future updates and timely updates and videos about a lot of exciting stuff that is going on. Now, without further delay, let me talk about Coinbase. Coinbase, as you can see, the price point on Yahoo Finance, it is showing $250, but it has not started, so we do not consider any price point just yet. Now, when Coinbase is going to list, so you can by doing a quick search on the internet, it shows on April 14th, but it's slated to enter in the public market via direct listing. Now think about it, this is not a traditional IPO. This is going to be a direct listing, and it starts trading on April 14th, trading on NASDAQ's Global Select Market under the ticker symbol COIN, which is the ticker symbol right here that you can see. It has not started trading just yet. Companies like Robinhood are hot on the Coinbase trail, and we do not know at what time it is going to start, but the valuation right now, it is going to be $100 billion in terms of the valuation, and then there is no real answer to exactly at what time it's going to start. The last IPO that we have seen for Palantir Technology, it started trading around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want to keep looking at it when you see the price update and when it's going to start, or maybe you can check on Twitter as well. Now, how is it impacting the market in general for cryptocurrency? As you can see, the cryptos are soaring in the hope that Coinbase is going to do super well, and it is going to do very well in my honest opinion. As you can see, Dogecoin spiked up to 13 cents, 0.1301. It is up 64%. The low for 24 hours was 7 cents or on the north of 7 cents, less than 8 cents, and it was as high as 14.5 cents in last 24 hours. There is a massive volume. As you can see, $21 billion was the volume against the market cap of 16 to 17 billion dollars. So it is soaring pretty fast. If you take a look at Bitcoin is also up close to 1.5% in last 24 hours. It marked the all-time high of very close to $65,000. Think about it, $65,000, $64,967. Now, what do you want to consider in case of Coinbase? Now, one thing to note about all these cryptocurrencies, not all the cryptocurrencies are supported by Coinbase. As an example, Dogecoin is not supported by Coinbase. So what I'm trying to say is there's a lot more potential for Coinbase to expand in terms of the revenue, in terms of their user base, in terms of the investment community that can invest more and more into cryptocurrencies, so on and so forth. So there is sky is the limit. And as you can see how quickly cryptocurrencies have been spiking, that is eventually going to benefit Coinbase. Coinbase is going to benefit out of this cryptocurrency. Coinbase IPO is set for 14th of April, and let's talk about like what is Coinbase. Coinbase is a world's most popular cryptocurrency trading platform. So think about any other brokerage account that you use to trade your stocks, and Coinbase is kind of the exchange for trading cryptocurrency, very similar to stock. It's a trading platform. It became a trading platform general to public, and the company announced that they're going public on April 14. Bitcoin and Dogecoin recently experienced crypto gold rush that you can see. Now, Dogecoin is not even on Coinbase, but there is a huge hope within the community that Coinbase is going to announce that Dogecoin will be part of Coinbase, and then for Dogecoin, sky is the limit because it's going to spike up in no time. Now, going back to Coinbase, if you want to get your virtual hands on Bitcoin, you can either mine the Bitcoin yourself in the expensive computing equipment. You can do with your CPU, you can do with your GPU and any other devices that you have with the energy sufficient to operate it, and you can purchase the currency. So there are two ways. You can mine it, so you can run the script and generate the cryptocurrency yourself. The second option is you can just buy from the market itself that someone is willing to sell, and which is why the price has been going up, because there are a lot more buyer than the seller. So the second option is the easier option. You pay for the service. Basically, you pay to buy the coins, so you can purchase the currency that has been already extracted by other miners. Most people choose to buy instead of mining that, and their first choice is Coinbase, and Coinbase has been around since 2013, so they are in the market for close to 8 to 9 years, and it envisioned the future of fiat currency that has been replaced by cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most notable example of that, but it is still only one of many. You have started seeing Bitcoin and Ether. They have both started spiking up so high. Since then, however, people primarily invested in cryptocurrency rather than using that for cash, and that can spike the cryptocurrency's price that we have seen so far. Coinbase's role in all this is that allows the user to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies, offer them to place them into their digital wallet to keep it safe and secure in the meantime. Now, how does Coinbase makes money? Coinbase has a transaction fee. The user or the investor pays the fee based on the service that they're getting. It is called Coinbase fee, and either it could be a flat fee or it's a variable percentage based on the cryptocurrency that a user is buying or selling. It is based on the user's region, product feature, and the payment type. Now, one thing you want to note is Coinbase is global, so it allows everyone in the world, most of the people in the world, I just want to say, to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Their fee is marginal spread of 2% of the transaction, and it is added into the exchange rate on the Coinbase Pro. They have a few features. The first one is Coinbase Pro, which is super important platform. This is number 2 platform after Binance that has the most trading volume in cryptocurrency. A platform that enables user to trade directly on Coinbase exchange that backs their Coinbase transaction. The second one is Coinbase Commerce, which is SaaS, software as a service product, or SaaS, that provides payment processing system for online merchant. The third one is Coinbase Card, which is a physical Visa debit card that converts cryptocurrency into US dollars, enabling users to make purchase wherever they want, however they want, and they just convert this cryptocurrency into the US dollars when a purchase is made. And the last one is the US dollar coins, USDC, a cryptocurrency offered by Coinbase that is value tied directly to US dollars, which is one-to-one relationship between the two. How much is it worth? So it started with 300 million valuation by E-Series funding when it was worth $8 billion. The number has since jumped up to pretty high in double digit, and most actively early in March 2021, it was valued at $77 billion. The current valuation, however, though, is when it's profitable, combining with this massive 43 million strong user base, it is not surprising that the major investors would mark that valuation at $100 billion at this point, because part of the reason is with 2020 revenue of 1.3 billion, that is more than twice the revenue of 34 million figure in 2019. And if you have seen, the Coinbase ended the year with the net income of $322 million, and they have a really massive revenue for Q1 2021 as well. Why it's unique? Because it's an unusual element to Coinbase story, starting with the fact that the company is one of its kind to hit the stock market at the moment. It is not an traditional initial public offering, but it's rather a direct offering, as I just mentioned. Should you invest in Coinbase? Probably yes, probably no. We don't really know, because we don't really know what the price range is at the moment and how it has been trading and what's going on. But in a very long term, it's going to be a profitable trade. But you have to be willing to wait for a long time to get a massive return out of Coinbase. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but you shouldn't invest any money that you're not willing to lose. But let's talk about the price prediction and what the experts think for Coinbase. Coinbase 8 expert prediction ahead of hotly anticipated IPO, and this is the article on Market Insider that I found. It is going public today, as I just mentioned. Significant milestone for cryptocurrency space, and as you can see, cryptocurrencies have been spiking up as if there is no tomorrow, and it has been a super massive bull run for most of the cryptocurrencies, as you can see, mostly for Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, so on and so forth. The Insider compiled a view from 8 experts on what this particular portal thinks. Let's talk about it. $1.8 billion in revenue for first quarter in 2021. It's a massive run up compared to the overall revenue, the total revenue of 2020, $1.3 billion in 2020. So the Q1 revenue is way above just the entire year of 2020, what Coinbase has done so far. On the why is it super important? Because the Bitcoin has spiked up so much that included a lot more transaction, a lot more revenue for Coinbase as well. And one particular analyst popped up the price by 125% from $195 to $440. And this is the price point or price prediction that came from one of the analysts. The record-breaking quarter for Coinbase moved this lockstep into the Bitcoin surge, which has soared more than 100% year to date and 600% in past 12 months, as we all saw, from $10,000 to $65,000. Now it is trading about $65 to very close to $65,000 as of today. And this rally in other cryptocurrency as well is super important, and which is why there is a hitting the capitalization of $250 billion capitalization that we have seen in Ether. Dogecoin has also record high, trading at 13, 14, 15 cents, as we can see, with the valuation of $17 billion for Dogecoin. So this is going to be direct listing. It's a huge market signal that the cryptocurrency is going to be part of the economy, or the parallel economy that you can think about. And analysts are bullish on Coinbase and other cryptocurrency. The success of Coinbase in direct listing will bring the next wave of users in cryptocurrency by continuing to solve the challenging of owning, storing, and providing the custody of digital asset. It's a gold on internet. This public listing will also have enormous impact of entire digital assets industry by opening up the floodgates for a lot of smaller investors. And this is going to change the world, the way we trade into this cryptocurrency. The people will start buying more and more cryptocurrency. It'll create a lot more awareness, and that's all it's trying to say in this article. So I just wanted to share one of the price prediction that is that analysts are thinking is way on the north of $400. It can start listing around $250 to $300. We don't really know, because there is no trade that we have started seeing. We do not know exactly at what time it start going to trade. But I just wanted to share this information with you, hoping you can make informed financial decision if you want to buy or sell Coinbase. I'm not a financial advisor, but like, share, and subscribe to my video so this video can reach to more and more people. Do your own due diligence. This is going to be an exciting time when Coinbase is going to list, and it will create more and more awareness for cryptocurrency. It's a whole new chapter for the digital cryptocurrency that is going to start trading in the open market, and people will have a lot more opportunities across the globe. Thanks all for watching. I'll see you next time.